Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best smart vacuum cleaner. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, Midea. G-Slam Navigation System, Smart Planning a Path, Cleaning coverage is larger, high cleaning efficiency. 4-in-1 cleaning system, sweep and roller brush and vacuum and mopping. 4000 PA powerful brushless direct current motor with high power and velocity. Streamlined air duct reduces the loss of suction power. Electronic controlled water tank, be automatically switched on once the mopping pad assembled. Triple filtration design intercepts most dusty allergens. Large capacity lithium battery 2600 mAh, automatically go back to the docking station when battery power is low. Extremely quiet cleaning makes you enjoy your life without being disturbed. Easy to customize, schedule and monitor cleaning modes via remote. Powerful motor, roller brush combined and dual side brushes. Easily vacuum the beans and debris easily. With electronic pump, the mopping function can be automatically switched on once the mopping pad assembled. Number 4. Brand name, ILIFE. ILIFE V9e robotic vacuum provides up to 4000 pascals powerful suction, easily picks up everything from fine dust to large particles. Advanced 3-stage filtration isolates particles of different sizes, captures and traps small dust and debris, removes at least 99.95% of tiny particles in 0.3 meters diameter and expels fresh air. Operate V9e vacuum on ILIFE home app, convenient to setting schedule, adjusting suction, charging cleaning modes, etc. Captures a large amount of trash, reducing the frequency of emptying the bin. 3 suction modes, easy to deal with different cleaning environment. It is the strongest suction compared to other machines. Its cyclone dustbin does appear to collect a lot of dust from carpets and hard floors, and its lack of roller brush means it will need less maintenance over time. The compact ILIFE V9e robot vacuum is definitely worth your consideration. If the V9e senses that its battery is getting low, after almost 2 hours of operation, it will return back to the dock, recharge, and resume cleaning when it is charged. Number 3. Brand name, BVRILA. Fully automatic smart water tank, innovative micro-controlled 150 ml large water tank, the sterilization wet mopping balance out of the water. Turn on voice control and enjoy your life. No manual charging is required, automatically returns to charge when there is no power. Sweeping the ground stains makes it easy to handle large particles. The app remotely cleans at any time, it's easy to master wherever you are. High capacity super strong battery life to ensure that the use of sustained full stability of safe energy supply is more durable. Clean more thoroughly with big 3600 pascals strong suction. Number 2. Brand name, Proscenic. With the Proscenic home app or Alexa voice control, you can perform cleaning plans, change cleaning modes, start or stop from anywhere, etc. Real-time positioning and apartment plan can help the robot determine its position and then effectively plan the cleaning using the room plans, so that the system is cleaned. The water is evenly filtered and the cloth always stays in the right humidity. During the charging phase, the water tank does not generate water. With the magnetic tape, you can lock an area or an entire room where the robot should not penetrate. Professional carpet protection automatically protects the carpet and turns on maximum suction power for cleaning. 21 sensors gives it full range of vision about its surrounding. 830p knows where the fragile furniture and stairs are, so it will not fall downstairs or break furniture. With a height of only 7.6 centimeters, 830p is agile and covers all of your floors more thoroughly. Number 1. Brand name, Dreame. The advanced lidar navigation enables better accuracy, faster mapping, stronger performance in bypassing obstacles, and more efficient route planning. With SLAM navigation, the D9 learns the layout of your home and builds personal smart maps, enabling it to clean and navigate in neat, efficient rows. 3000 pascals of intense suction picks up dirt and messes easily from the surface and deep within carpet. The strong suction power of D9 robot vacuum can effectively remove hair, dust, and other particles. The robot vacuum chooses from sweeping or mopping. The 5200 mAh high-capacity battery reaches up to 150 minutes of runtime, which is enough to clean up to 2,153 square feet at low power in one charge.